friends, welcome to Tech Blooms. In this video we'll be doing about binary arithmetic in binary. Before beginning, if you're new to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click the bell icon for more videos. So here we are doing binary arithmetic. As we perform arithmetic operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication and division with the decimal numbers, in a similar manner we'll be performing with the binary numbers also. In fact, in binary what happens is that the arithmetic is simpler as it involves only two digits, that is 0 and 1. So here first we'll be performing addition, so binary addition. So let's look at binary addition. So before performing we need to uh, remember certain rules to performing binary addition. So let's look at the rules of binary addition. So the first rule, here you can see you have 0 plus 0 will give you sum as 0 and carry to be also 0. Then you have 0 plus 1 will be giving you sum as 1 and carry to be 0. 1 plus 0 will give you the sum to be 1 and your carry will be 0. 1 plus 1 will be 0 carry 1. Your sum is 0 and carry is 1. So these are the four rules you need to remember. Addition of 0 plus 1, 0 plus 0 plus 0, 0 plus 1, 1 plus 0 and 1 plus 1. Okay. So let's go to solve certain examples. Let's look at some examples. So here I have given two examples. Add 1011 and 1100. Add 0101 and 1111. So we'll be performing one at a time. So let's perform this first. So here you can see I have already done the addition. So I'll just explain you. Here you have 1 plus 0. 1 plus 0 is nothing but 1. 1 plus 0 is again 1. 0 plus 1 is again 1. But 1 plus 1 will give you 0 carry 1. Right? So this is your binary addition, how you need to perform. So if you remember that rules, so that performing binary addition for any number of bits is simpler. So let's look at the second example. In the second example, we have two numbers, that is 0101 and 111. So you have 1 plus 1 will give you 0 carry 1. The carry has been generated. Now how do we perform addition is that we need to add this carry to the first number first. So the first digit, that is 1 plus 0 will give you 1. 1 plus 1 again will give you 0 carry 1. Now here how we need to perform the addition is that you have 1, 1, 1, right? So first we need to add the two digits. So you have 1 plus 1 will give you 0 carry 1, right? Add again 1 to that, which will give you 1 carry 1 again. So you have a carry again generated and your 1 has the sum here. So now again perform 1 plus 0 will give you 1, then again 1 plus 1 will be equal to 0 carry 1. So your carry has been generated. So this is how we perform the binary addition. So these are the carries which were there. So let's do binary subtraction. As there were rules for binary addition, in similar way we have rules for binary subtraction too. So here you have one rule, 0 minus 0. 0 minus 0 is nothing but the difference of 0 and borrow of 0. Here you have 0 minus 1 will give you a difference of 1 and borrow of 1. In similar way you have 1 minus 0 where you yield a difference of 1 and a borrow of 0. And you have 1 minus 1 where you yield a difference of 0 and a borrow is 0. So these are the rules which you need to keep in mind for solving binary subtraction problems. So now let's look at the examples. We need to subtract 0110 from 1011. So let's look at the subtraction. Now here already I have performed. I'll be explaining you that. So now here you can see you have 1 minus 0 which is equal to 1. 1 minus 1 is nothing but 0. But here you need to look at the carefully, that is 0 minus 1 will give you 1 as a difference and a borrow also. Okay, there will be a borrow. So first what you need to do is that you need to perform subtraction for this. That is 1 minus 0 will be what? Is nothing but 1. 1 minus 0 is 1. Now you need to subtract this 1 from this borrow. So 1 minus, so the result of this subtraction will be equal to 1, right? So now subtract 1 minus 1, which will be equal to 0. So this is how we need to perform subtraction, remembering the rules which I have already told. So thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe Tech Blips.